Good morning, ma'am, and all my friends. I am Ayush Kumar, Standard 2D. I am going to recite the poem on the occasion International Peace Day, which is held on 21st September. Keeping Quiet by Pablo Neruda. Now, we will count to 12 and we will all keep still for once on the face of the earth. Let's not speak in any language. Let's stop for a second and not move our arms so much. It would be an exotic movement without rush, without engines. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales, and the man gathering salt would not look at his hurt hands. Those who prepare green wars, wars with gas, wars with fire, victories with no survivors, would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers in a sad doing nothing. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Life is what it is about. I want no drug with death. If we were not so single-minded about keeping our lips moving and for once would do nothing. Perhaps a huge silence might interrupt the sadness of never understanding ourselves and of threatening ourselves with death. Perhaps the earth can teach us, as everything seems dead, a letter proved to be alive. Now I will count up to 12 and you keep quiet and I will go. Thank you.